you want to choose this one?
So we're going to do Yellowbird, which is kind of a fun song, and if you like it, you can hum it, you can sing it. Actually, I have a really hard time reading the sheet from here, so I'm going to do my best to get all the words to you.